Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by updating and enabling the key system toggles that unlock iOS 26 features. Install the update, then open settings to enable live widgets, continuity camera, and the new privacy controls. You'll also create or adjust focus modes to let widgets and notifications behave predictably. Once done, position your home screen for quick glance and grant camera mic and clipboard permissions so features work smoothly. This prevents interruptions when you begin using advanced tools. Now you configure the deeper settings that power daily workflows. Add live widgets, resize them, and set a refresh cadence so critical info updates without draining battery. Pair your iPhone to your Mac for continuity camera, choose the desk view or center stage presets, and test video input in a call. Enable AI suggestions and auto summaries where helpful, then adjust sensitivity to avoid noisy prompts. Make sure to test each feature in a short session to confirm behavior. Finish by validating the setup and resolving common issues. Run a quick scenario, use a live widget, start a continuity camera session, and accept an AI suggestion to ensure workflows connect. If something fails, revoke and regrant app permissions, then relaunch the app. This often clears stale permission states. Once done, restart both devices and reset network settings only if needed. If problems persist, clear the specific widget or pairing and recreate it. That usually restores normal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.